Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Have you ever wondered about saving for retirement in a smart, tax-efficient way? A Roth IRA might be exactly what you're looking for. It's a special kind of retirement account where you contribute money that you've already paid taxes on. The big benefit here is that when you retire, all your qualified withdrawals, including all those investment gains, are completely tax-free. It's a powerful tool for building long-term wealth. So why choose a Roth IRA over other options? First, that tax-free growth and withdrawal in retirement is incredibly valuable. Imagine not owing a penny in taxes on your retirement income. Plus, there's unique flexibility. You can withdraw your original contributions, not earnings, at any time without penalty or taxes if an emergency arises. And unlike some other accounts, there are no required minimum distributions during your lifetime, giving you more control over your money. Opening a Roth IRA is simpler than you might think. Your first step is to choose a trusted brokerage firm or an investment company. Many major financial institutions offer them, like Fidelity, Vanguard, or Charles Schwab. Once you pick one, you'll set up your account online, which usually involves linking a bank account for easy transfers. Just remember there are income limits to contribute, so always check those before you get started. Once your Roth IRA is open, the real fun begins, deciding what to invest in. Your Roth IRA acts like a wrapper, holding various investments. You can choose individual stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. For beginners, low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, also known as ETFs, are often recommended because they offer instant diversification. Another popular choice is a target date fund, which automatically adjusts its asset allocation as you get closer to retirement, making it a very hands-off option. Before we wrap up, here are a few key things to remember. First, keep an eye on the annual contribution limits. They can change each year. Also, for your earnings to be completely tax-free, you need to meet the 5-year rule and be at least 59.5 years old. Most importantly, start early. The sooner you begin investing, the more time your money has to grow through the incredible power of compound interest. It's a truly smart way to secure your financial future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.